what should be the first steps for someone to start with a B2C brand? Because currently you're also doing another brand,
Yes.
which is a kids wear skincare brand.
Yes.
Um,
It's a skincare and a beauty brand for kids and teenagers.
yeah.
This is also a new concept and a new category I'm working upon. It also have a journey to say. I think once you get a validation from a market
Mm-hmm.
of about your product and you feel that it has a scope and you're serving parent or maybe society in some way, you're
Yeah.
adding up, you're giving a solution to a problem, then you should go it full fledged. You should go through D2C brand. You should create a lot of content around it.
Yeah.
So content should not be you know about the product. It should be what you're solving.
Okay.
You're educating, you're communicating, because everybody who are scrolling or maybe they want to you know extract something out of it, they want to learn something out of it. Why we do podcast? Because people, they want to listen and they want to know, like, journey of people who have done it in a right way, so that we learn out of it. So I think ठीक है, scrolling for, like, but a lot of people I know, they scroll for learning also,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
only for the fun.
Yeah.
So I think if you're doing it right product
Mm-hmm.
and you're communicating it right, you can create a market.
Okay. If one is starting today and going ahead with the B2C route and creating organic content, like you mentioned, what kind of investments one should look at? Like, कितने amount से start हो सकता है business? Because, it really gives you vision, clear vision कि अच्छा अब इतना पैसा चाहिए ये ऐसा business खड़ा करने के लिए.
So if I talk about the only collection, you'll be needing 4 to 5 lakh. And then if you're working out of office, you're working out of your home, then yes, obviously that's flexible. And creating a D2C website and then, creating a content around it, again, it will take you around 3 to 4 lakhs to create a baseline, a
Okay.
good baseline.
Okay.
So that people take you, you have a story to tell, and people, because you have to spend on Meta to, to reach out people.
Okay.
Creating a content and then organic is, of course, there's one thing, but you have to push your data, like, because there's a lot of brands who are doing it. To be on that stage, you at least need initially 3 to 4 lakhs
Mm-hmm.
in first quarter of
Makes
business.
sense. Okay.
Out of those 10 lakh
Mm-hmm.
initially for, like, a quarter, you can test the market. And then out of learning, you can, of course, grow it in a way.
Okay.
And nowadays, there's a lot of funding which is available in the, like, government is coming with a lot of schemes.
Yeah.
So I think somebody who wants to start their, you know, they want to be founders, they want to start their entrepreneurial journey, आपको उसके लिए सिर्फ एक पैशन चाहिए एंड फंड्स तो अरेंज हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपके अंदर उतनी मेहनत करने के लिए, सो 100% ना सब देते हैं. इसमें आपको ना 120% देना पड़ता है. अगर एक बच्चा भी एग्ज़ाम लिखने जाता है ना, वो भी पूरा प्रिपेयर करके जाता है. बट व्हाट इट टेक्स टू एक्चुअली कि आपको आपकी कैपेसिटी से बाहर जाना पड़ता है. जैसे आप अगर पुशअप करते हो, 100 पुशअप्स करते हो डेली, एवरी डे यू थिंक ना कि आज मैं जिम जाके आई विल डू 101,
हाँ.
फिर अगले दिन 102. तो आपको मोर देन योर कैपेसिटी थोड़ा-सा अपने आप को पुश करना पड़ता है टू बिकम, टू लिव योर ड्रीम कि हाँ, ये दिस आई वांट टू डू, दिस आई हैव टू डू. तो आपको उसके लिए जितना भी आपका प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन होता है या जितना भी आप कंफर्ट ज़ोन में होते हो, उससे बाहर आना पड़ता है एंड यू एक्चुअली हैव टू एग्ज़ीक्यूट इट.
Yeah. Okay.
पीपल दे नॉर्मली थिंक कि मेरे पास बहुत आइडियाज़ हैं, आज हमें ये कर लेना चाहिए था. ब्लिंकिट वाला आइडिया तो मैंने 5 साल पहले सोचा हुआ था कि ऐसे-ऐसे होना चाहिए था, बट किया तो उसी ने ना.
Yeah.
Somebody who has made it today.
Yes.
So, having an idea is one thing, and executing it on a right time, in a right way is one thing.
If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, The Sonika Mata Show Clips.